To let you know, Shannon Boxing Club currently recruiting male and female members. There's currently 2 female members in the club. Their head coach is Marty Hannon, and he's on the line now. Hi Marty, how are you?
Hi Gavin, how are you?
I'm very well, thanks. Boxing must be the most popular sport for young people in Clare after last summer.
Yeah, definitely, especially after the Olympics with Katie Taylor and all the other Irish teams, how well they done in the Olympics. But I think it's a type of sport, I suppose, where a lot of people kind of used to feel intimidated by it because of you're boxing in the ring and people look at it as a type of fighting, but realistically it's not like that at all. It's more of like the kids, the youths, I suppose. Our goal would be to try and get them involved, get the community involved, get them off the streets, get them into something positive, and I suppose it's great for discipline as well. Me myself, that's how I got into boxing. I suppose that my father put me into it long ago and to discipline me, and being honest, it's done great things for me. It's brought a lot of good to me, and I know how good it is for kids and obviously youths and adults or anyone who wants to take part in the sport. So we decided to put myself and another group of people decided to go ahead and put a club in Shannon, because it's a growing town. We're always getting interest for people asking about boxing and a boxing club in Shannon. So now that it's here, we're really trying to boost it, trying to get members, trying to get people involved, and just I suppose kids as well to take part and just to see if they like it. If they like it, they like it. If they don't, they don't.
Yeah, I'm a fan of it myself. Don't get me wrong, Marty, but I'm sure you would meet people who would be hesitant to allow young girls and young boys, and my notes here in front of me say that you'd allow members from around 8 years old or thereabouts, so these are still young children, and I'm sure there'll be people who'll be hesitant to allow them to go into it, but there's a lot that can be learned from any organised sport, and in particular a sport like boxing.
Yeah, exactly, there is, of course. So we take them on at 8 years of age, but to compete, boxers aren't actually allowed to compete until they're 11. So generally when we're taking kids in at 8 years of age, we just try and work with them, just a bit of fun, just to try to get them interacting in the sport as well, and give them a taste of what boxing is about before we'd actually put them in the ring sparring. So it's just basically to try and get the community involved, get kids involved in the sport, and try and promote the sport as well, and keep them off the street, because boxing has a lot of great things. It has done a lot of great things for people as well. As well as that, it's not an easy thing to do, because again we're a non-profitable organisation, so it's just trying to push it, trying to keep it going, and we're relying on fundraisers and stuff at the moment to keep the club going. So it's just any bit of support at all that we could get out there. If there's anyone out there who had any boxing equipment lying around not used, left in their garage where they might have used it once or twice and put it to the side, we'd really appreciate anything at all, to be honest.
And for that you can get in touch with the Shannon Family Resource Centre, 061 707 600. You're looking for members at the moment, Marty. We're focusing on children, but all ages, I presume?
All ages are welcome, girls, males, females. We have a couple of girls there in the club. To be honest, they're all committing to it. They're doing great work, they're brilliant, they're training, they're coming up to training, they're attending the spars, they love it, and it's a great atmosphere. It's a good atmosphere in the club. We're after getting a new premises. We have a boxing ring there, so little by little we're getting there as a new club. It's not easy, like I said, but I suppose if we have help from any businesses or any other companies in the local area that are willing to help out, we'd be very grateful if they could help out. And again, I suppose we're committing our time as well, so it'd be great if someone could, I suppose, donate anything at all. Like I said, punch bags, skipping ropes, anything at all.
One comment's come in. Michael's just given us a call this afternoon. He's wondering if adults can get involved, and if they do they have to go on and compete, or can they do it as a fitness exercise?
Yeah, again, that's another side of things they do. So obviously boxing is voluntary, so I do it for, being honest, I'm passionate about the sport. I love doing it. I love coaching, so that's what I do in as a hobby, is I teach boxing in the boxing club, but I also run a company, Thump Boxing it's called, where I'll be teaching boxing for fitness. So obviously it's non-contact, so you can be doing exercises like punching bags, and just using functional fitness, I suppose, as a workout. So it's boxing without the fight, I suppose.
Marty, we wish you all the best with it. Hopefully we get lots of members for you, and best of luck.
Brilliant, thanks very much.
No problem at all. The number once more, if you want to know more about Shannon Boxing Club, get in touch at the Family Resource Centre there, 061 707 600.
You're listening to Clare FM's afternoon show. It's what gets the county talking.